Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to install a Facebook pixel in GoHighLevel. First, open your Meta Business Suite. Once you are logged in, click on All Tools. From the menu, select Events Manager. This is where you can manage all your tracking data. In the Events Manager, click on Data Sources and then select your pixel. You will see your pixel ID at the top. Copy this ID because it will connect your GoHighLevel account with Facebook. Next, you also need the full tracking code. Copy this code as well. You will need it later to track page views and events across your site. Now open GoHighLevel and log into your account. On the left side, click on Settings. In the Settings menu, select Custom Values. Click on New Custom Value. In the form, paste the pixel ID you copied from Meta Business Suite. Give the custom value a name that is easy to recognize, such as Facebook Pixel. Also, select a folder for this value. You can create a new folder or use an existing one. After entering the details, save your new custom value. To track visitors across your entire site, go to Settings and then Site Settings. Find the section for tracking code. Paste the full Facebook Pixel base code into the head section. This ensures Facebook can track page views and events on every page of your site. Thanks for watching.